area. You can see the reinforcement has been also pressed in by the security forces, the top officials of the Ministry, by the security forces. We are learning that two Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists are being trapped. They are associated has been coordinated.